Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to easily find out from which country the respective IP addresses belong in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and in the Google search for one application name as PopSop IP to Country Converter. On the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now just click on this download option. Now you will see here two kinds of download option. One is installer and portable. So if you want to install it on your hard disk, then get this installer, and if you want to use it without installing, then you can get this portable version. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Just double click it to extract this zip file. Now just open the extracted folder. Now we'll see here the first file is the application. Just double click on it. Now just click on this continue. Now you will see here some pre-included IP addresses. So now in order to check which country this IP addresses belong, just click on this convert. So you can see here. So if you want to add your respective IP addresses, then you can just add it here. Just right mouse click on it and click on paste, and now just select this country name and click on convert. Now you can see here the respective country of the respective IP addresses. So by using this cool application name as PopSop IP to Country Converter, you can easily find out from which country the respective IP addresses belong in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.